Are you ready for today?
For sure.
And what's our tactics?
Podium position is the aim for today.
Ready for day 2? We're in the front of the e-bike group. Aiden, don't just hit the single track, just walk.
When you said that yesterday, what happened?
Oh, I wanted to eat that. Whee! I love this. This is so awesome.
It's a bit difficult to see in here.
Oh, no. Low gear. Oh, turbo. We built this city. Ja, dat is lekker. Speed up, it says here. Speed up. These are some serious little. Well, for us not. Sorry. Ja, wijd gaan, wijd. Dat lukt het. Dat lukt het. Oef, flip. And I'm in eco. You what? Why? Pee in your pants, man. We're racing here. And the guys that were the second past us, yeah, let's see if we can catch them. Yo, with Jason, one time we were on.
Is lame. Sorry, heb ik opgestopt.
I'm not clipped in. I'm not clipped in. There you go.
Thanks, thank you.
Okay. Hello, hello. So we e-bike helemaal niet klappen.
Got it.
Thanks. Thanks.
Give us a whip, Hayden. Do a whip.
Those guys in yellow are in first place. We are trying hard to get to them.
Look who's there in front of us. We caught them.
Leading the group. Not sure how long we're going to be able to keep it up. They're way too fast.
Shit, you just need that bit of... It's like, yeah man, what the fuck? You're supposed to be a racer. Yes. Two teams in front of us. So I think we're in the lead now. Hopefully. Fuck! I think we went so too fast with that camera. I think we went too fast for the camera. Hey! Hey! Home chip.
And the Velociraptors. Well done, guys. Gentlemen, well done. Welcome back.
We'd like to know how you got your name, Velociraptors. Your time, 3:31 today, Hayden.
Well done. Well done, bro. 3:31.
From Task Force.
We missed 3.5, Hayden.
But did we come
The
first?
amazing
I think we came
Shores,
first. That guy was shut up.
Jennifer,
There they come,
Chris,
there they come.
hope you enjoyed today.
We first, here our second guys. Here they come in. All the e-bikes, they're standing undercover. Okay, there's electricals involved. We worked out it's about 5 million rands worth of bikes. This from there to there, 5 million rands worth of e-bikes. So they're two done. Huh? They're two done.
Yeah.
And where did we come? First in the e-bike touring group. Hee. Medicine. There we go.
Let's split you up at the rail service road.